Okay, we are going to read it from a note from Web Technology. You can see here Web Technology Lab Report File BCA third semester. Okay, here is Lab Technology Lab file. We will see the note. Now note has been open. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language and mostly widely used language on web to develop the web page. HTML was created by the Tim Berners-Lee in 1991 and HTML 2.0 was the first Eastern HTML specification which was published in 1995. HTML Open 01 was the major version of the HTML and it was published in late 1999 through the HTML Open 01 version. It is widely used. Extensible markup language XHTML is used in the year of 2000, but it is currently we are having HTML5 version, which is the extension of HTML 4.01 and the version it was published in 2014. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language and it is widely used language to write the home page. HTML hypertext refers to the way in which the web page HTML document are linked together. Thus, the link are available on the web page called the hypertext. HTML Originally, HTML was developed in the intent of defining the structure of the document, like the heading, paragraph, list, and for to facilitate the sharing scientific information between the researcher. HTML head title, my web page title, head body document, body related tag, body HTML. Doc type.html. This define the document type of HTML. This tag includes the HTML document which mainly compromise of the document header which is represented by the head and document body which is represented by the body tag. Head tag represents the document header which can keep other tag like title, link, etc. Title link is used to inside the tag. As one represents the heading, P tag represents the paragraph, body tag represents the document body. Basic of the HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML describes the structure of the web page using the markup. HTML element are the building blocks of the HTML page. HTML element are represented by the tag. Browser do not display the HTML tag, but both use them to render the content of the page. Open Notepad on your computer, write HTML code on your Notepad, save HTML file in the HTML or the HTML format, open the file in the browser. Basic tag are basic in command in HTML to perform the specific tasks in the web browser. In the HTML element usually consists of the start and the end tag, which is content is inserted in between the tag name content goes here. All tags will be in the lowercase HTML attribute. All the HTML element can have the attribute. Attribute provide the additional information about the element. The attribute usually come with the name value. Peer like the name value. Example image IRC typo white 600 height 500 girl with the jacket basic tab. Doc tab.html HTML head title heading example title. Head body, S1 this is the heading, S2 this is the heading, S3 this is the S6 body, then doctype.html, HTML, head title, head body, title, head body, basic tag, doctype.html, head paragraph example, head body. This is the first paragraph of the text, P, the second paragraph of the text, P, the third paragraph of the text. The basic tag whenever you use the BR element to create the new line in HTML here title tag paragraph example first paragraph BR second paragraph of the text here the second paragraph text here the third paragraph of the text centering content we can use the center tag to put any content in the center of the page. Center of the page you can use this tag to HTML centering content. Body text is not at the center, p text is the center, p center text is not at the center. Basic tag doc type dot html head preserve formatting example head body Function test function alert str text free body html basic tag it is used to create the space in the html page since one space is the it allow the doc type dot html head non-breaking space example title body and example is this technique appears in the move to well NSP in the 13p tag html the example of this technique appear in the 12 angry man HTML formatting comment tag are used to insert the comment in the HTML source code. Comment are not displayed by the browser. They can help the document in your HTML source code. Doctor.html body. This is the comment. This is the paragraph. Comment are not displayed in the browser body. HTML basic tag. Bold text. You underline strong important text. Italic text. Emphasize text. Market text. Small text. Deleted text. Inserted text subscript text HTML formatting dot HTML head meta tag example meta name keyword content HTML meta tag metadata description content learning about the meta tag content revise content HTML tutorial learn to author content ram rai hello HTML p body dot HTML mg image tag is used to insert the image in the HTML image IRC image URL image ARC, HTML, image test, PNG test, image order border, HTML link, HREF file path text, talk type dot HTML, HTML head, hyperlink example, HTTPS, HREF, www.yoursite.com, body, click on any of the following tag, HTML index, target blank index dot HTML, open in the save HTML, else example, open in the parent, HTML target open in the body HTML link HTML image hyperlink example head body click on the following link href facebook.com target sales image logo print tutorials head body html link email tag mail to abc @gmail.com email us href mail to example feedback and body stable tag mail alto href mail alto abc example feedback and message send feedback top page text goes here href top go to top one html list under list beetroot ginger potato radish HTML list, HTML head body, HTML non-order list head body, beetroot, ginger, potato, radish, UI head body, HTML order list head body, order list, ginger, HTML, HTML stands for the Hypertext Markup Language, HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol, HTML get HTML definition list head body, HTML head body. And this stands for the Hypertext Markup Language. 842. This stands for the Hypertext HTML. HTML tables are HTML tables specify HTML table head title table head body table order and on TH TH name TH address TR TD ID Krishna Asare TD Jhapa TR TD Vinasare Kathmandu TR table body HTML HTML table are created using the table tag with TR tag is used to create the table row and TD tag is used to create the data cells. The TS tag is used to make the table heading. The elements under TD are regular in the left aligned by the default Monday schedule. Topic introduction to XML validity DT and the relax NGX path by XSL transportation transformation XSL formatting object hours HTML table body border body color red white 98 align center align left white website name TDTR TD white 15% align center menu white 17% align center BR can you write the main content you can write a main content here BR TD white 15% align center ADVT TDTR, align center colon span of BR, border filter. Grouping tag, divide, and span element allow you to group together several elements and create the section or doc type. HTML, head title, divide tag, example title, head, body, ID, menu, align, middle, href index dot hm home, about contact us, contact a, about index, about a content align, content article, actual content goes here, divide body, HTML frame are used to divide a browser window into the multiple section, or each section can load and separate the HTML document or collection of the frame in the browser window are known as the frames. Set the window is divided into the frame in a similar way. Tables are organized in the row and column. Disadvantage of the frame. There are the few drawbacks of using frame. So it is never recommended to use the frame in your web page. So the smaller devices cannot cope with the frame often because the their screen is not big enough to be divided up. Sometimes your page will be displayed differently on the different computer due to the different screen resolution. The browser back button might not work as the user hopes. There are still few browsers who that do not support the frame technology. Reload colon disadvantage of using frame. One of the main disadvantages of using frame is the search engine will not deal with them properly in the search engine, including the most popular one with the index containing the frame, as it is hard for them to search for the specific content and move backward to check to which the frame set each page belongs to and retrieve the page in the frame set. It hard to navigate through the page in the frame where you have more than the two or three frame. It is difficult to print the content of all the frame when compared to normal web page. The same browser does not support the frame, so we need to place the content separately for the people who do not have the frame. Using the no frame, we cannot bookmark individual page using the browser favorite menu. Frame and the frame set tag are not supported in the HTML file. Better to avoid HTML frame. We will read up to next. Okay.